can innovative and safe material flow contribute to creating the factory of the future? How can a solution with autonomous mobile robots help ensure safety while improving efficiency and flexibility? The OMRON LD-250 autonomous mobile robot can be upgraded to double its usual payload, from 250 kilograms to up to 500 kilograms, by integrating into a cart transporter version. The compact size of the solution with the LD-250 allows it to easily navigate in narrow spaces. Thanks to the cell alignment solution from OMRON, the LD-250 can detect and align with the cart to pick it up smoothly. It is also possible to move the carts manually if needed, and can carry out an emergency stop if needed. For example, if a person would be detected too close to it. The solution ensures full safety, flexibility, and just-in-time delivery of goods.